Looking for the latest food trends? Today we're making 3 viral recipes taking over the internet. Cottage cheese wraps, tinned fish meals, and lasagna soup. Let's get started. Spread cottage cheese onto your low-carb wrap. Layer with grilled chicken or turkey for extra protein. Add veggies like lettuce, cucumber, and tomatoes for crunch and nutrients. Optional. Spread avocado or hummus for added flavor. Roll it up tightly, slice, and enjoy your healthy wrap. Drain the tinned fish and arrange on a plate. Drizzle olive oil over the seafood for richness. Add a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or dill for brightness. Season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Serve with crusty bread or crackers for a gourmet meal. Brown the ground beef in a large pot with onion and garlic until fully cooked. Drain excess fat. Add broth, crushed tomatoes, and Italian seasoning to the pot and bring to a simmer. Break lasagna noodles into small pieces and add to the soup. Cook until tender. Spoon ricotta cheese into bowls and ladle hot soup over it. Top with shredded mozzarella and fresh basil. Enjoy the cozy flavors of lasagna in a bowl. Whether you're craving a healthy snack, a gourmet seafood meal, or something cozy for the colder months, these recipes are sure to hit the spot. Try them out and let us know your favorite.